A lot of people underestimate this package because it's not as flashy or as big as maybe some of the professional things, but it doesn't just come with this. Along with this pressure washing setup, you also get a surface cleaner. This is an 18-inch surface cleaner. It's by General Pump. This is a really good beginner surface cleaner. It's way better than you using the wand to clean back and forth on the driveway or sidewalk, although that might be fun for the first 10 minutes, but your back and your arms are gonna appreciate you going ahead and upgrading to the surface cleaner. It's gonna save you so much time. You'll be able to move through driveways and sidewalks way quicker and charge a lot less because your time's not wrapped up inside that project.